The Netherlands may be a small country, but you probably know it for many of its world-famous icons. In this session, Bartega invites you to paint the world-renowned tulip garden in Holland, the Keukenhof. Before we start, don't forget to prepare 5 primary colors of acrylic paint, paint brushes, canvas, a paint palette, water, and some tissue. So, shall we begin? First step is always to start with the background. We're gonna paint the vast meadow where the sky is a soft blue color. As you can see here, I mix a small amount of deep blue into white paint. Afterwards, let's continue with the yellowish-green meadow. Add a bit of deep blue into yellow. Moving on to the second step, we'll add some muddy shade into the meadow. You can create this brown color by mixing 3 of the primary colors together. A bit of deep blue and the same amount of yellow and red. Then spread them out based on your liking. My advice is not to overdo it. We want the green layer of grass underneath to still show on the surface. This step is where we'll all have a bit of fun. You can paint the tulips with any color and formation that you prefer. Pick up some white paint on your damp brush, and then let your brush do its dance on the canvas. soft pinkish clouds in the sky. Right now I'm mixing a drop of red with lots of white to create soft pink. Mix together your primary colors to make brown, similar to what we've done in the second step. There will be 3 different windmill sizes, with the nearest one to us being the biggest. Mix a bit of brown into white to get a pretty beige color for the towers. Paint the leaves with a darker shade of green. For this part, you can mix blue, yellow, and a bit of red. Lastly, paint the windmills. I'm mixing blue and red. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Now, take a photo with your phone, post it on Instagram, and don't forget to tag us. We'd love to see your creations. Ciao!